Still struggling with heat and power cuts? Horn? Diddy? This smart rechargeable fan is a total lifesaver.
10,000 mAh battery. Works up to 40 hours.
Control it from anywhere with this remote. Or just touch and adjust easily.
Super silent. Perfect for sleep.
Av benno seinen. It even has 3-level LED light. Perfect for travel, camping, and outdoors. Don't wait, grab yours now. Are you want to buy this product? Link is in description. Subscribe my channel for watch more videos like this. Thank you.